rack and pinion out of this car 1,000 times. You figure 3 cam installs. I just had a bunch of snowball on my face. That wasn't fun. I feel like you threw a snowball at me.
No, I'm up here just wrenching away, buddy.
I appreciate you.
No problem, man. No problem. Some people, you just can't help them enough, you know. Ooh, them tires are doing good. What's up, Diesel? What's up?
Hey, buddy.
Hey. These Cooper tires are no joke. Let's back up some here. See how it is. There we go.
Unbelievable.
It's a good tire. I finally got to test them out. I was really concerned that they wouldn't perform like they're supposed to.
You're fired.
I'm fired already? My God, that sucks. I'll go home. I'll go get a beer now. Well, let's see what good old Set of Steve's up to, guys. All right, what's going on here, buddy? What is happening? What is going on? Oh, okay, cool, cool. Wow.
Remove.
Okay, well, now that we're done here, I'm going home. Look at the Honda doing a great job just sitting there. Gonna have to get back tires for it too.
Definitely. So
listen, Linda.
What we have here is, I'm tired of breaking stuff. So we're gonna do what this car was intended to do, and we're gonna take it back and make it an actual good driver. Not saying you couldn't do that with this twin turbo kit. Great turbo kit. However, I'm a little hard on my stuff, as you all know. Exhibit A, back there behind you. Exhibit A. No front bumper. Did you see the rear bumper?
You don't need it.
Yeah, it's
What
terrible.
do you need bumpers for, man?
Mike literally ripped my rear bumper.
That is literally, that's a Baja truck now.
Definitely.
That's what that is, a Baja truck.
Definitely. So what our plan here is to take the turbo kit off. We
Okay.
have a buyer. Now, I know a bunch of you guys will be upset about it and things like that, saying how, my sponsors
not
will be
recording.
upset and everything like that. I am.
Oh.
Just not right this moment.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. I was gonna record a lot of it, but now you're making me get my GoPro out. But yeah, so I'm not upset about it, but it's time for a change. I'm hard on my stuff this daily basis.
For you.
Woo! Now it's a party.
Now it's a party.
All right, guys. So we will see you later. So we are going back nitrous, as you can tell. I have the solenoids and everything already up here. I'm excited. I loved this car when it was nitrous. It was fun to drive.
Oh yeah, you didn't have to spray it all the time.
I sprayed it everywhere.
Oh my God, never disregard my last.
Yeah, definitely. But
so I guess we're gonna have to tear this thing a fuck apart
Yep.
on the ground.
On the ground.
Oh,
I got most of it.
I was gonna say, like, what all did you get so far?
So far, I just gotta undo the rack, and then the subframe comes down, and then it's gravy. So.
Okay, so how are you hanging the engine?
We don't want to air that. I'm just gonna hang it right where it's at.
Don't you have a hanger?
No.
I wish you would have told me. I would have brought mine.
No, it's okay.
I have a hanger, so.
It's gonna hang for weeks.
Yeah,
we're not putting it back together.
I was gonna say I hardly ever use it, dude. I hardly ever use it. I have like one of those OTC hangers for engines, dude. I could have brought that up. Wish you would have said it. I would have brought it with me, dude. It would have made thing. You just sit it right here. On the other side,
I don't know. This is pretty.
Oh, never mind. I mean, we could have put it like right here too. I mean, somewhere stable at least, you know.
You mean where it's pulling apart?
Yeah, yeah, where the shock went through.
Yeah,
you know, I'll never forget that when that shock went through.
Definitely.
That was priceless material right there, boss. Let me tell you.
That was terrible.
That was great.
That was terrible.
That was at Corvette's Carlisle, wasn't it? Yeah. When that happened.
I did a good hard launch and it ripped the shock right out.
It's beaver checked.
Definitely.
Beaver checked. So where'd my kids go?
I think they told my dog.
Boys?
What?
Oh.
They said husky.
I'm like, what the fuck? Freaking kids.
At the moment.
Dude, that's a big turbo, dude.
They're big turbos for what it is.
Dude, that is a big turbo. Look how big that freaking turbo is. That's a big motherfucking turbo right there.
Being two.
Steve, what the fuck are you doing, dude? What are you doing? You okay, buddy?
No.
There we go. You just gotta man it.
On the top.
I know, yeah, because it'll mushroom out the threads.
I was just tired of whacking on it. Ow, my finger.
That's what she said. I was just tired of whacking on it.
She loves when
Do you have something? How's this thing sitting here? You have blocks behind the wheels?
No. Just the e-brake. We're not scared.
Dude,
here,
this
Andy.
fucking car, this car is gonna go into your GMC, and then it ain't gonna matter if you had a front bumper or not.
Yeah. It's perfect. It'll make for good content. I got more vagina from the truck than I have this car.
Wow. That's going on the video.
Is it? Didn't know you were recording.
Oh yeah, you know I was recording.
Hey,
Or another.
I'm gonna find you.
I'm gonna get you one way.
Maybe this day. I'm gonna get you. Get you.
Oh Lord. This is too much.
It's the snow.
It's wet?
It's messing with me. I've had this rack and pinion out of this car 1,000 times. You figure 3 cam installs. I just had a bunch of snowball on my face. That wasn't fun. I feel like you threw a snowball at me.
No, I'm up here just wrenching away, buddy.
Oh, I appreciate you.
No problem, man. No problem.
Oh, it dripped in my eye. First, my
I never knew you liked it in your eye, Steve.
Now my eye. Dad, my fucking toes.
Steve, you're fucking nuts, dude.
Tight little heifer.
I like it tight. Oh my God, Steve, this is this is dangerous, dude.
Stop it.
This is freaking dangerous, Steve. Steve, are you shitting me, really?
Stop it.
Seriously, Steve, what are you doing? Oh my.
Taking her apart.
Oh Lord, Steve. Oh Lord.
I will probably grab a jack.
I would highly suggest that you do so. Mainly because you don't want that falling on your head, man.
It's a little heavy today. And I don't
You'll
know why.
think. It's probably because there's an engine on it.
Seems just a tad heavier than normal. Normally I can, pick up myself.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Are you ready?
I'm ready, buddy. Oh, Lord, Steve.
Oh boy.
I love how you don't have a hanger on the engine. That's just amazing to me.
Yeah.
To be honest.
This car's seen its better days.
Oh, I'm sure this car is definitely has seen its better days, man.
She's ready to be put to rest.
she's been doing her thing for a while now.
You figure I beat on it for a year, gave it to Mike, sold it to Mike.
So
Mike
he beat on it for
6 months.
and then he bought it.
For another
Yeah, and then he bought it back and fucking. What the fuck, Steve? What are you doing?
We're trying to find a good location.
Oh yeah, that's definitely going into oil. Definitely going into oil.
See, these are the things you guys don't see. Like,
This is behind the scenes stuff.
here in the old backyard built.
Steve's gone nuts. Steve is freaking gone crazy. I'm not really sure how to explain it to you guys, but he's all messed up right now. And this poor vet. Let's get this poor vet. I feel so bad for this vet. Like, it's been through hell. This poor vet's been through hell, and it's just going to continue to go through hell. That's the thing. It's just going to continue to go through hell as long as good old Senda Steve owns this thing right here. What? I'm talking shit, yeah.
That's okay. My GoPro's running. I'll hear everything you say.
Not if I kick it in the oil. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, it's your end stuck.
Oh, son of a biscuit.
There we go. Your shock.
Right through my bumper.
Everything's already through your bumper. It doesn't matter. All right, well, we're ready to pull some turbos out.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, let me go on this side and I'll unbolt it for you.
And you can.
I only got one bolt each side and that's it, boss.
Perfect. Go mundo.
That's not easy to do. What are you doing? He's like, oh yeah, it's gonna be easier to carry both of them while they're tied together with a line. That would be awesome, guys. Yeah.
I hope he's bringing a truck.
He's probably bringing a Honda Civic. Poor Steve, huffing and puffing. You might as well just put them over there instead of put them on the ground. That way you're trying to lift them up on your truck, dude. It's not going to work very well. Ah, what's up?
Slide the door. Put it inside. Oh, they're heavier than you think.
Oh yeah, I know.
What?
What?
Can I suck your song?
No. I mean, Steve, what do you think?
What's your mom look like?
Is your mom hot?
We're gay here.
You're gay?
Uh-huh.
Gay as AIDS?
I'd toss it down to your mom.
KKK.
Hey, hey, hey!
Do you have hairy pubes?
I
don't have any pubes.
I nair.
Dollar Shave Club on them videos?
Oh, you know, I love Dollar Shave Club. That's the best thing ever, Dollar Shave Club.
Just strip down and fucking fuck the head.
Steve, how do you feel about Dollar Shave Club, buddy?
I'm more of a fan of knivesdeal.com.
Nice, dear Tuck.
For 10% off, use my promo code.
Oh, no shit. That's a good, you hear that? That's a good promo code.
You fuck bitches and get money?
I mean,
all I
that's
get.
usually Steve's area of expertise. Except for the money part.
Gotcha.
And as you guys can see, that's one of the dealings that I have to unfortunately deal with on a regular basis from a lot of fans. Well, I don't even know if he was a fan or not, but probably just somebody that wanted to troll me. You know, having my phone number and it's out there. You know, obviously it's a business phone number. It's meant for business purposes only. It's probably one of the reasons why my voicemail fills up with dumb shit 24/7, and I don't get the proper calls that I need to get in for the business, which kind of sucks, to be honest. But please don't do that shit. It's so unnecessary to waste my time when I'm trying to like do things that are more important than dick around with a troll that wants to. What do you think, Steve?
I say, sick the dog on them. I don't know where that came from.
I don't know where that came from either, buddy. I'm kind of concerned. Steve, you gonna do a donut in the F450 up on the hill there, boss? Because you have no balls?
No balls.
I know you don't have no balls. My kids have more balls than that.
I just don't think it's a good idea.
I think it's a great idea. And there goes the kids.
You made me nervous pulling the GoPro out now.
No, you're fine. I'm just calling you out.
Now it's forced.
Now you're forced to do it.
Broke my brakes.
How'd they break your brakes?
No, the same brakes.
What? How you been stopping?
This one.
You know,
Is that the rear or the front?
Weaver Power.
Oh my God.
This is the front.
That's why I can't have nice things, Andy.
Don't blame this shit on me, man. You told my younger one, you were like, if you can get it started, you can ride it.
I did.
And here he's been riding it, dude.
Never been
I
right.
literally started it. And that had nothing to do with
He's gonna rev it up and throw it in gear.
Yeah.
He's gonna send
Shatter
it.
that transfer case.
Listen,
Yeah.
I need to sign this waiver.
Yeah. Andy's GoPro and me GoPro.
Yeah, we're all done here working on Steve's C5 Corvette.
The car is no longer twin turbo, guys, but we still have the car, so that is the main thing going on. But I hope you guys like the content. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna need your support, definitely. That's a hard thing to watch. Like, that's why I'm turning around this way.
I don't even care, to be honest, but I'm going to end this video because I think we have enough of footage for a good one. Other than that, guys, if you did like the video, Do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook's also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces.
Look at this faggot.